I remember in 2019, I was so young and naive. Yeah, 2019, 2018. So, there is this one place, this one company, nilienda nikapata job. I was so young by then. I think I was kido 23 hapo. So niko hapa, tunaanza kuteta juu ya mishahara. So mimi, I was so young and my colleagues walikuwa naona kijana mdogo. So wananichocha, wananiambia, hey, tutetee. And you know, being the vibrant guy that I was, nasema, hey, lazima tuongezwe mshahara, our grievances, nini. Hey, na tukaanza kuteta mpaka kukakuwa na kagoslo hivi. So, I don't know, by mistake, nikauliza one of my colleagues, kwani wewe wanakupea ngapi? Funniest thing, one of those colleagues mwenye alikuwa ananichocha, she was earning double of what I was making, and her friend was leaving the company, but the company was promising to give them 2.5 times of what I was earning so that they can stay in the company. And guess who is the loudest here? Nani anawapigia kelele sana akisemanga tuongezwe? Mimi